Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw and color a mandala. We're going to use circles and dots. We're also going to use symmetry and balance. Mandala means circle or center. It's also a symbol of the universe in its ideal form. A 12 by 12 square piece of white paper, colored markers, dot stampers. They come in bottles like this in a variety of colors. These are by Do a Dot Art. These work really well. Take the lid off. There's your stamper. Circles to trace. These are all container lids that I've collected, different sizes. A circle stencil like this, or a template. When I do this lesson in class, I'll cover up all the tables with paper. I usually use butcher block paper, but you can also use a tablecloth. This keeps the surface of the table nice and clean. A paint shirt or an apron to keep your clothes clean. Let's begin. First, I'm going to take my square paper and I'm going to fold it in half a couple times. I'm going to take the top right corner and bring it to the bottom left corner and fold the whole paper diagonally to make a triangle. Then I'm going to open that back up, and I made a diagonal folded line here, diagonal crease. Next, I'm going to take the top left corner and bring it down to the bottom right corner to make another triangle. We're going to make another creased line on our paper. These are going to be guidelines when we're drawing. Now we have a folded X. Next, I'm going to take the whole top edge of the paper and bring it to the bottom, folding the square into a rectangle shape. Crease it, unfold it. Now you have an X with a horizontal line going across. And the last fold, we're going to fold the left side of the paper over to the right side, making a tall rectangle. Crease that, then unfold. And we're back to our square. These folded lines are going to be guide points when we're adding circles to our mandala. Whatever I draw on the left, I'm going to draw on the right. Whatever I draw on the top, I'm going to draw on the bottom. Whatever I draw in this corner, I'm going to draw in this corner. I'm going to keep it symmetrical and balanced. I'm going to use markers to draw my circles, and then we're going to color with dot markers and markers. I'm going to start in the center with the largest circle first. Hold it still with one hand. Take your colored marker and go all the way around. Now I'm going to add some dots with the dot stampers. You could give it a shake, twist off the cap. This is the part that makes the dot. You just press that down on the paper. I'm also going to use markers to add some smaller dots too. I'm done coloring and making dots. Now it's time to clean up. I'm gonna return all of the bottle caps to the correct color bottle, twist them back on. That keeps the bottles from drying out. Also make sure you close all of your marker caps. You should hear it click close like this. That keeps them from drying out. I'm gonna let this dry and I'll show you what it looks like completely finished. I think my mandala came out pretty cool. I like the way that it uses symmetry. If you put a line right down the center of it, it has the same things on both sides, it's balanced. If you put a line horizontally down the middle, it's also balanced. Diagonally, same thing. Diagonally this way, same thing. When I was working on this, I tried to make sure that if I did something up here, I did the same thing over here. And if I did something on the top, I did it on the bottom. Same thing for left and right. I try to keep it balanced throughout and match the colors and match the number of dots that I put on each side. The circles represent the universe, like it's expanding. I really like all of the colors and the dots that I made. I try to use patterns in some parts. Remember, when you're doing your mandala, it doesn't have to look as detailed as mine. You can keep it simple. I hope you enjoyed making a mandala with me today. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.